What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to an update on Jasmy, because I covered it I think 3 days ago when it was relatively bullish. Right here I think so 4 days ago. Alright, and the volume was also nice at 140 million. It's dropping down now almost by 50% from that time. Still relatively high volume of the Jasmy coin is always relatively high, but it's dropping, right? So it's down 9%. It has broken down the significant support level it had when it was a little bit more bullish. So I thought it would be interesting to do an update on it. I know a lot of you hold and trade Jasmy, so we're back. First of all, I do have a partnership with the Fairdesk exchange, which I want to notify you about, where if you sign up through the link down in the description, you can get up to a $5,000 bonus. So might be nice in a bear market. Go check it out if you are eligible for that. You might not be, I mean, it's not guaranteed, but still it's a good opportunity, I think. So if we take a look at Jasmy, so I analyzed it right here when we actually got above this, like for Jasmy there's this huge key area between 1.15 cents and 1 cent right here, and then in the middle there's this level around 1.1. Yeah, so between 1.17 and 1 cent is the level. Then around 1.08 and 1.1 cents, there's this middle level within a bigger key area. And what you tend to see is that that is the support when we're relatively bullish with Jasmy, and that is the resistance when we're relatively bearish with Jasmy. So we broke above that the last couple of days and held it as a support. Reached all the way up to 1.2. I thought we would reach 1.25, so that was a little bit too bullish. But now we're dropping, and we've also dropped down below that level. As you can see, if we zoom in a little bit, we already took a break retest off of that level. And we've dropped down to this level right here around 1.02, which is a pretty strong support level. I mean, this would have been a perfect trade. You got this trend line, you got the 100 EMA, this gray line, and a 0.5 fib. So that would have been a nice trade, but I mean, the market structure is relatively bearish, right? And this would have been a long trade, so we got some movement off of that. But now we got a big red candle again. So what I expect is that within the next few days we'll be dropping down towards like under a cent. We might find some support at 1 cent, but I think after that we'll drop down to that 0.95 cent level, find some more support there, take a break retest off of 1 cent, and I think within the next few days I think Bitcoin will also drop down to 19,000, and what I expect that Jasmy will do in that time is drop down to 0.9 cents. And 0.9 cents will hold, I believe, at least. I mean, you can always have a different opinion from me. There's nothing wrong with that, and I would strongly advise you to think for yourself and to critically think as well. But I think that level will hold. There's one big exception to that rule, and that would be Wednesday, when new inflation rate numbers are coming up for the United States. The market tends to react pretty heavily to that. So if those are way higher than expected, that's bad for crypto. Jasmy will probably drop down to 0.8 cents. If they're good, we're just going to hold 0.9 cents, and there's a chance that we can actually get back up again towards these levels right there. So yeah, that was basically my analysis on Jasmy for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.